If you're viewing me, I'm Dr. Steve Acker, MD, and retired oncologist, elderly, obviously. I am wishing to tell you about the positives of the Jabees HearLink conversation system, because it is definitely better than anything that I've found on the commercial hearing aid folks. They actually want $6,000 to $5,000 to do the same thing that Jabees can do at a very reasonable price. The hearing microphone, as you can see right here, I have the headphones, the bone conduction type on, and they work right out of the box. They are extremely high quality, as Jabees company is. And I have something I'd like to show you, and that is it's certified frustration free. You don't have to hold your mouth the right way or twist it to get it to work. It works right out of the box. It gives me, because I'm totally hearing loss in the left ear, I have good hearing in the right ear. And with that, this and the microphone, I can interact properly at church, in other gathered groups, at the home, daily, or with home celebrations, or you name it. So it's a very worthwhile system, well done, and it matches my KISS principles, K-I-S-S, keep it simple, supplier. And Jabees service excellence with exceptional kindness. They're the best. They have no peer. And you've ended your search, just press the order button for the hearing, and you've got something that you will treasure and return your life guaranteed. Take care. Blessings.